Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, myself Chirag. In this video, I am going to discuss about ADI and add instruction in Microprocessor 8085 in assembly language tutorial. The meaning of ADI and add instruction is to perform the addition in Microprocessor 8085 programming. But the purpose of both the instructions are different. So we will discuss in this video ADI and add instruction in detail. So let's check the outline of this video. The first topic is what is ADI and add instruction. The next topic is syntax of ADI and add instruction. And the third topic is ADI and add instruction explained with programming. Let's start with the first topic, what is ADI and add instruction in Microprocessor 8085. The meaning of ADI is perform addition immediately with the accumulator content and store result into the accumulator. So let's take an example to understand the ADI instruction. For example, the value 2 is stored into the accumulator, and now I want to perform addition with the accumulator value. The another value is 3. So now 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, which is stored into the accumulator. So after performing the addition, the accumulator content is 5, because final result of this addition which is stored into the accumulator. Next instruction is add. The meaning of add instruction is perform addition of any register content with accumulator content, and the final result is stored into the accumulator. So let's take one example to understand the add instruction. For example, the value 2 is stored into the accumulator and the value 4 is stored into the register B. So now perform the addition of the accumulator content and register B content. So after perform the addition, 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. So final result is stored into the accumulator. So as I told you, the meaning of both the instruction is perform addition, but the purpose of both the instruction are different. So ADI instruction is used to perform addition immediately with the accumulator content, and the add instruction is used to perform addition of any register content with the accumulator content. The next topic is syntax of ADI and add instruction. So in this topic, I have discussed how to write instruction whenever you write a program in Microprocessor 8085. So first of all, syntax of ADI instruction is ADI value. So here in syntax of ADI, first ADI is the instruction and then write a value which you want to add in the accumulator content. So for example, how can we write this syntax in programming? It is ADI 03. Here ADI is the instruction and 03 is the value. So here 03 is add with the accumulator content. Next, syntax of add instruction, it is add and then register. So how can we write this add instruction in programming? For example, add register B. So it means the content of register B is add with the content of accumulator, and the final result is stored into the accumulator. So this is all about syntax of ADI and the add instruction. The next topic is example of ADI and add instruction. So in this topic, I have explained ADI and add instruction through the programming, and the program will be explained step by step in GNU Sim 8085. To understand the ADI and add instruction, let's take one definition of the program. Write assembly language program to add value 03 in accumulator content and then perform addition of accumulator and register B content. So what we have to perform in this program, I have highlighted into the inverted comma. So first of all, build a logic and simultaneously write a code. So as per definition, we have to perform two main tasks in this program. The first task is add value 3 into the accumulator content, and the second task is perform addition with the accumulator content and the register B content. So before perform the first task, I would like to load some value into the accumulator. For example, the value 1 is stored into the accumulator. So it means the content of accumulator is 1. So now the instruction of this statement is MVI A,01. So now we have to perform our first task, add value 3 into the accumulator content. So here 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So resultant value stored into the accumulator. So now accumulator content A is equal to 4. So instruction of this statement is ADI 03. So as per our definition, before performing the second task, I would like to store some value in register B. For example, the value 2 is loaded into the register B. So now the content of register B is equal to 2. So instruction of this statement is MVI B, 02. So now as per our definition, I have to perform second task. Perform addition of accumulator content and register B content. So now the addition of accumulator content and register B content is equal to 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So after performing the addition, the resultant value is 6, which is stored into the accumulator. So now the content of accumulator is A equal to 6. So now instruction of this statement is add B. So as per our definition, here our program is complete. So now we will check step-by-step execution of this program in GNU Sim 8085. So first of all, I paste the code here. So this is my program. So first of all, assemble the program. So now program assembled successfully. So there is no error in this program. So now check the step-by-step execution of this program. So after execution of the first instruction, the value 01 load into the accumulator. So now check the content of accumulator is 01. After execution of second instruction, the value 03 is added with the accumulator content. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So resultant value is stored into the accumulator. So now the accumulator value is 04. So now you can check over here. After execution of third instruction, the value 02 is loaded into the register B. So now check the content of register B is 2. After execution of fourth instruction, perform addition between the content of register B and the content of accumulator. So here accumulator content is 4 and register B content is 2. So 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So resultant value is stored into the accumulator. So now check the content of accumulator, it is 6. And finally the halt instruction, stop the execution of program. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and share with others. And subscribe my channel on YouTube and press the bell icon to get new video notification. And follow my blog Chirag Bhalodia, the link is given in description. Thank you for watching this video.